Good morning, this is Ketogenic Jim. What we're doing today is a lamb curry. This is the morning of, this is obviously going to be for dinner, but you want to marinate your lamb early enough, that way all the flavors get melted in. Okay, so we have our chopped lamb here. Most of this is to taste, but you're going to want to do roughly around 1 tablespoon each of the seasonings. We're going to put in 1 tablespoon of turmeric, however people call it. Be careful with most of these are Indian seasonings, so they kind of are a bit sticky. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala. And these 3 initially are the most important ones to get heavy on. At least a tablespoon of each. Coriander. And you usually want to have some cumin and some cardamom seeds and things like that. I got a mixed spice pack which has both of them. Kind of like allspice, but not a Jamaican or generalized seasonings. I'm also using some allspice, season all it says here, but it's really just a bit of salt, some paprika, things like that. About a half a tablespoon of crushed chilies. You want to do about a half a tablespoon of garlic paste. If you don't have garlic paste, you can always use a whole garlic clove. About a half a tablespoon to a tablespoon of ginger paste. And you can use red chili powder or some chili paste, some sambal oelek or something of the sort. That really is your controller of the spice. And then you get yourself a little bit of salt and a lemon. I'm gonna cut the lemon up real quick. Okay, the lemon's cut up, and you can use the juice of a half a lemon. I'm just going to use the whole lemon because I can. And then you mix it all together. And that's it. You just let that sit and marinate, let everything soak up into the meat, into the fat that's still there, everything like that. Let it soak in. You want to let it soak and marinate for at least a half an hour, but I'm going to let it go. It is noon now, so I'm going to let that go till around 4 or 5 o'clock, so about 5 hours. The lamb's been marinating now for over a day. I did it yesterday morning. Things kind of got in the way, so it's been marinating extra. So we're going to get to cooking. Okay, so we have our wok, and we're going to put in a little bit of butter. Melt that through. We have a whole diced onion that we're going to fry up. Okay, so we're going to add cumin seeds, cloves, cardamom, allspice, garam masala, and just general a lot of all of these nice Indian seasonings. Let the onion fry really well. Everything is to taste, but really about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of each. This really calls for cumin seeds, cloves, cardamom, and the garam masala. Okay, our onions and our seasonings are definitely cooked through. So we're going to add in that's a spoonful of garlic paste. Then add 10 almonds. Okay, next we're going to add in a tablespoon of tomato puree and half a pint of water. Okay, now we're just cooking everything through, just letting it simmer down. And that's pretty much the base of our curry. And next, we're going to be putting it in the blender to thicken everything up. We're going to use the almonds and the onion that has been kind of cooking in through here. And that's going to turn it into a nice thick binding agent. You definitely need the water though to kind of give it a little bit of liquid, just to simmer it all through. And that's it. Now we're going to blend it. Okay, now that the sauce, you actually can do this while you're blending, but it's only me cooking today. So we're now going to add our lamb that's been marinating for a good long time. We're going to fry this up. Usually you're going to use raw meat, so you obviously, this is the point where you want to cook it all through. Okay, now what we're going to do, now that our meat is completely cooked through, we're going to add a little bit of water to deglaze the pan. And just make sure there's no more sticking meat, no more sticking seasoning or anything like that. And then we add our curry paste that we've made from the blender. And we just let that simmer for about 10 or 15 minutes until it's completely warmed through and you have your curry. I'm going to kind of do like a curried rice with this. I'm just going to do a little bit of Garam Masala. This is cauliflower rice, curried cauliflower rice. A little bit of coriander and then some mixed spices. Just a little bit, and kind of mix that through. Kind of like a curried basmati cauliflower rice. Okay, that is the lamb curry. I'm just going to show this to the camera really quick. It is beautiful. Got our basmati cauliflower rice and our lamb curry. Smells fantastic. Soon I'm going to be having a new coaching program to help everyone out with getting into this lifestyle. It is going to be phenomenal. It's going to be about 7 or 8 weeks long, and you can get in onto it by emailing me, ketogenicgym@gmail.com, or just message me through Instagram or YouTube, Ketogenic Gym on both of those accounts. And just look me up. If you like these recipes, like my videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm doing new videos. I do at least 2, maybe 3 a week. Have a great day and thanks for watching.